In this video I will show you without blocking someone how can you restrict to see your post in Facebook. If you want to someone have he or she will have in your friend list but you don't want to show him or her your post, then this is the video for you. For restricting someone on Facebook, you have to go simply on your Facebook. After come here on Facebook, you have to select whom you want to restrict. So simply I want to restrict, let's see, this person I want to restrict. He is one of my friend, so I'm simply click on his profile, and then you have to click her friends option, and then after you have to click here edit friend list. You have to click simply edit friend list. After clicking edit friend list, you will can see here this kind of interface. You have to click here restricted. After clicking here restricted, this person will be restricted, and then he or she will cannot see your friend or only me post. If you post to friend of friends, this post he or she will cannot see, but if you post as public, then he will able to see your post. So this is today's video. Thank you so much.